I am Diego Inclán. I am the director of the National Institute of Biodiversity of Ecuador. So we are a public institution working on research, conservation and innovation in biodiversity.
I'm Emily Lara from INABIO, the National Biodiversity Institute.
We are facing a terrible challenge in climate change and losing species. We work with 13 schools in Ecuador to show directly at schools impacts of climate change and impacts in biodiversity loss. That was unique from IKI, that allowed us to go directly to the schools, to the field, and work directly with kids. Especially for kids at urban areas, they were not aware of the biodiversity that surrounds them.
That was one of the objectives of the project, the change in them. They go to the schools and they teach their parents and also their neighbors.
We have the pilot with the Ministry of Education, which is responsible for the formal curriculum for the complete country. We are having an experience of, for the first time, arriving to the whole nation. For example, in some schools, more in the urban areas, we make greenhouses to see the problem of organic waste. We made organic fertilizer to grow plants.
Girls didn't even imagine that they could be a biologist or a scientist. I am environmental engineering. There was a small kid, he was like 6 years, and she said, I will be like you.
They already took one practice that we did of measuring biodiversity and asked to all the schools. I was at home, my daughter came and she told me, look, that they are asking me to do this homework. And wait, they are asking you about our task. The Minister of Education sent a homework for the whole system and it was a huge impact.